Hello and welcome to WorkSmart Essentials. In this video, we are going to talk about filter function. So let's start. But before that, please subscribe my channel, like the video, and do comment. So let's quickly jump in. So let's see what data do we have. We have the order ID, date, region, salesperson, product category, quantity, unit price, sales amount, and the status of the sales. Okay. See, the criteria section is also given wherein the salesperson and product column is here. Okay. And the salesperson criteria shows Amit, which will change. So let's see how do we apply the filter formula. Okay. So here equal to filter start open bracket like okay. First we'll select the table array, the table where we are gonna place the filter, the complete table. Okay, and we're gonna press F4 to freeze this range, comma. Next, where is our criteria? Where do we want to place the filter, in which column specifically? So we want to place it in the salesperson column. Okay, and we are gonna freeze this as well, comma. Oh, I am sorry, equal to. What it should be equal to? It should be equal to N4, which says salesperson is Amit. Okay, we will close the bracket and press enter. So see, whatever sales Amit did, we have the data here, complete data is coming up here. Okay, so let's try by changing the name here. Let's remove Amit, place Neha, and enter. So see, the data relating to Neha is appearing in the filter formula. Let's try again with Ravi. So see, the Ravi data relating to Ravi is reflecting. Okay. So this is the way we place single filter. Now let's see how do we apply two filters. Okay. So now just assume like we will just place a filter on the product section. So let's select laptop. Okay, now see how the formula will work and how do we apply the formula. The things will change. Okay, so let's just delete this and replace the filter formula. Filter again, complete table array we are gonna select. Next, first of all, we will put a start bracket again. Now select salesperson equal to this cell, which is right now Ravi, it is written. Okay, we will close this, place a asterisk sign again, start bracket. Next filter we want to place on product, which should be equal to here O4, which is currently laptop. Okay, and we will close again the complete filter formula. So this is how we apply. See what we have done. First we have selected the table array, then we have first placed a filter on salesperson, which should be equal to N4. Then we placed a asterisk sign again, one more bracket we opened up and placed a filter for product range in the same way. In this way you can place multiple filters, I mean not only two but also some more, maybe four, five, whatever number of filters do you want. You can place this in similar way by placing the asterisk sign in between and placing this data into the bracket. Let's see if our return comes up. It is giving a calc error. Calc error means the data is not available. Okay, so one thing we can do is we can place comma, and the next section is place a double inverted comma and write no data, and again close bracket, which shows that if the data is not available, any return specifically that you want. So if the filter is coming empty, this is what is going to reflect. See, the filter shows empty, so it is reflecting no data. Let's just try by changing the name. Let's place it Amit. So see, Amit and Amit selling the product laptop is now reflecting in the filter section. Let's change the product to monitor. So monitor is here. Let's try it with headphones. But see, headphones, Amit has not sold any of the headphones. So no data is reflecting up. I hope you are clear with this function. So if you have clearly understood, please like the video, subscribe the channel, and do comment on what further data or for what further content do you need. Thank you so much for watching.